How do you italicize words on your Wix website? It's actually really simple. So if we come into our Wix site and we click on a text box of sorts, whatever word you want, or if you want the entire text of the text box to be italicized, all you have to do is click the text box or click and highlight. Now it's going to bring you into this edit text mode, or you can click this button to edit the text. Inside of here, you'll actually find an italic option. Now that option is going to be Command I or Control I if you're on PC, which means that's a shortcut key, so you don't even have to come in here. But we click on this and it italicizes our text. Now if we were outside of this and we were just editing text and we weren't even looking at this over here, we can press that Command I, or if you're on PC, that's Control I, to just quickly italicize certain pieces of text. So for instance, if we wanted to italicize the word paragraph here, we could just press Command or Control I, and that italicizes just the word we had highlighted. That's how you can italicize text here in Wix.